Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at that. That is what the design looks like on the helicopter. It's right. This is the helicopter that I'm looking at right now. It's super cool and super long. My dad just told me that each of these blades are 10 feet. That's longer than him. This is where the pilots sit. Pilot, autopilot, I think, and here are the lights. The pilot is currently at lunch, like I said in my last video. If you didn't see it before, check it out. It's called Airplane Part 1. That is the type of airplane it is. It says, I don't know what that says. I don't think you could see it, but it says Bell 407. And they carved this design by hand. Like literally with razor blades. Isn't that awesome? So awesome. Check it out.
Oh, he's breaking out the big tools.
Oh, he got a hose?
Yeah, this is a place. This is for St. George, I believe.
That's my dad. Iron County? Iron County. It's for Iron County. And
Search and rescue. Nice.
so they carved that design in by hand?